How to activate no caller ID on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to hide your phone number and activate no caller ID when making calls on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on your settings and then you gotta scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of phone. So you can click on apps and search for phone. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to your phone. So what you got to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you'll be able to see an option that says show my caller ID. So just click on show my caller ID, and here you'll be able to see an option that says show my caller ID that is toggled on. You can simply toggle it off if you want to hide your phone number and activate no caller ID when making calls on an iPhone. So it's just that simple, and that was basically how you can activate no caller ID on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.